Listen up, men. Never, and I mean never, take money from a woman. Not a loan, not a handout, not even a gift. Here's why. The moment you do, you hand over your power. Women don't forget when they've financially bailed a man out, and they will remind you of it, subtly or blatantly, for the rest of your life. You think she's being kind? Think again. Money changes the dynamic, and now she has leverage over you. A man is built to provide, to lead, and to protect, not to depend. When you take money from a woman, you're signaling weakness, and that weakens her respect for you. She might not say it outright, but deep down, she's questioning your ability to handle life. Respect is the foundation of love, and if you lose her respect, you lose her, period. Don't kid yourself into thinking, oh, it's just this once. That's the slippery slope. You borrow once, then again, and before you know it, you're a man living on her terms. A man who depends on a woman's wallet is no man at all. He's a dependent, a liability, and eventually, an afterthought. If you're struggling, dig deep and solve your problems yourself. Hustle harder, learn new skills, and rise above your situation. Struggle builds character, and character earns respect. But leaning on a woman for financial support, that's a shortcut to losing everything that makes you a man. Remember, women are attracted to strength, confidence, and independence. When you take her money, you strip yourself of all three. Never put yourself in a position where she can say, "You needed me," because a real man needs no one. Handle your business, stand on your own, and always protect your pride. Your dignity is worth more than any amount of cash. The mission of Brave Mind is to inspire and improve people's lives. Join us on our journey by following the community with premium content.